Welcome back to Snow Updates. Looking at the read, I can see here. This morning, we can see here a few snow showers actually in the Pennines, in northern England, even in the Peak District there, mixing with some rain. And there's plenty of snow actually. There's a few snow showers in North Scotland. You can even see a pink area, wintry mix as well. So we are seeing that. Now it is going to be widely cloudy today, because that area of as it's coming from the west, it's going to bring a layer of cloud before all the snow comes. So if I don't know if this is going to let me go. However, you can see here the front of rain, which is going to be pushing in tomorrow. This front of rain, which is going to be bumping into the colder air here, will bring into significant snow. We could see up to 20 to 25 centimeters in my area. Because if I have a look at this dashboard, you can see here we could get quite a bit of snow cover actually. See here, we can still see 17 centimeters in some areas, 25. Now, this is in my area, Leeds. This is 25 centimeters in the next 48 hours. And if I have a look at some other areas such as London, I doubt that London's going to get too much. But if I have a look on here, into the capital, as the mild air is closer to them, they're only going to get the maximum of 2 centimeters. Because if we have a look at the forecast on the Weather Channel, we can see, obviously it's saying only 2 and 3. You can see here that mild air is pushing in with 14 degrees. That is ridiculously mild compared to what we've seen recently. You can see here we're only going to get a few hours of snow before the rain comes, because the rain is going to keep it melt it, because obviously mild air. However, that doesn't last long. You can see it's getting colder as we get into the end of here. And now we have amber warnings for snow this time. And this is 2 amber warnings actually. There's one in the northern England and one in Wales and the Midlands. We'll have a look at the one in northern England first. This is an amber warning for snow, which is going to be for tomorrow. Snow expected to leave some disruption on Sunday across northern England. We could see some rural communities may be cut off. Power cuts and other services will be affected. Delays and cancellations to rail and air travel expected, and travel delays on rail, stranding some vehicles and passengers. So the snow will be reaching to the south of the warning area later Saturday. That will spread northwards into Sunday morning. Snow will be persistent and heavy at times, and may try and drift over because of this brisk easterly. Especially over higher ground. Mostly 3 and 7 centimeters of snow. Areas above 150 meters see 15 to 30 centimeters of snow, which is my area really. We are not 150 meters, so I think they need to update this warning. Maybe 40 centimeters above high ground of 300 meters above sea level. So before the snow begins to ease and clear, low-lying areas such as obviously Vale, New York, and my area, snow could mix in with the rain as well. So these estimations are a little bit changeable and difficult. It could be quite wet. Obviously, if it's raining after, we could see quite a little bit of wet conditions. This warning has a high likelihood. It's a confident one, but a medium impact. So if any changes come on, it could be a red warning if it keeps getting upgraded, because we see. This warning is like right next to it, so obviously if it had more time it could have got to a red warning, which is quite scary, even though I like snow. And you can see Yorkshire and the Humber, most areas, North West England, East Midlands as well, is in this weather warning. There's another weather warning for another amber warning for obviously snow and ice. This time for ice, you can see here snow and freezing rain will likely lead to some disruption and transport. This is a little bit of a wider area. This is for Wales and West Midlands. So we could see some freezing rain as well with it. So that is, I thought this was going to happen because obviously when freezing rain is here, they do automatically get an amber warning with it. There's a good chance that power cuts may occur, with the potential to affect other services such as mobile coverage. Delays on roads are likely, stranding some vehicles and passengers. Some road closures and longer journey times are possible. Delays to cancellations and bus air transfer are likely. Good chance of rural communities may be put off. Untreated pavements due to the freezing rain will be likely to become impassable. So these snow, it will be persistent and locally heavy as it pushes south into the warning area as well as snow. We could see some freezing rain, bringing some hazardous conditions. Before the mild air does try to push in 3-7 centimeters, just again, with maybe locally 15 to 30 centimeters on higher ground and southern Pennines and Wales. So freezing rain could lead to more ice in the Wales and mild areas as the rapid fall of snow and ice comes. See here, medium likelihood and a low medium impact, so it's a little bit less dangerous, but still is quite confident. I'll have a look at one more weather warning because we are running out of time, and I don't really want to edit the video today. So we'll have a look at the snow and ice warning briefly. Just now. Wait, let's see. Oh, we could do this one actually because I haven't looked at it yet. Again, really quickly, heavy snow will be on Sunday and into Monday into Scotland. So this is again same things. Obviously, power cuts, travel delays, etc. Could see 2 to 5 centimeters with 10 to 20 centimeters. Mostly rain and sleet in some areas, so very low likelihood and a medium impact. So Scotland is not as affected as I thought it would really. And you can see here in the morning, some areas in northern England will be seeing some rain and snow showers. Oops, that's the wrong one. We're seeing some rain and snow showers as that diminishes away with some plenty of clouds and no sun. And you can see that front pushing in from the south, bringing plenty of snow for tomorrow morning, with some rain mixing in for the afternoon. Maybe some more brief sleet showers and snow showers there. Otherwise, it just starts to kind of clear. Could still see some snow showers trying to push in though in northern England there. There was actually another front trying to push in there, but we'll see what happens there. And you can see into Thursday we're still getting a lot of snow with some coastal winter showers just there in the east. Now looking at temperatures, you can see here 3-4 degrees. Again, just barely above 0. But you can see the milder air pushing in into southern England. So obviously in southern England you're not going to see a lot of snow at all. So you can see highs of 13, even a 14 as possible. So very mild air next to some very cold air. So good temperature contrast really. Now on to Monday, that mild air goes for now. And you can see here, we're back into below 0 temperatures, -2, -3. Could see some more frost. And if I go on to the part where it's most cold, you can see here -9 if possible on Tuesday at the moment, so -3. Again, below 0 temperatures. And then even more cold, more widespread, -8, -7, -9 again. And we're getting into all England, -5 in most areas, which is very cold. And even into, if we have a look at the, obviously, daytime temperatures of Wednesday, daytime temperatures are barely above 0. Right, even some areas could still be minus digits, which is very cold. And looking at the night time for Thursday, -11 in an isolated area there. That is very cold for this year. In fact, nearly getting dangerous cold. So if there's any wind, let's have a look. If there's any wind, yeah, not too bad. But obviously, wind chill and that would be very dangerous in that type of cold weather. If you want to look at the snow depth, we can see here we are getting plenty of snow, mostly 20, but in the hills, you can see the 50 to 60 centimeters. According to this, I'm not sure if that's going to be true. We'll see what happens there. So you can see that front trying to push in with the low pressure system as the cold air pushes in. This is even more colder air actually. If I put the gradient on, getting to purples possible in midweek next week as well. We will see a brief mild spell. Some mild spell coming on for mid-January, so we still have a long way to go on that, but mostly mild into there. So it has changed its mind, but it could change again. You can see here the last thing, mild air trying to break into cold air, so we'll see what happens there. So yeah, definitely looking quite a snowy weekend as well. So next time I will be forecasting the snow should happen. So thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video.